What is the best AI tool for the students? Many students are keep asking about the best AI tool for the students, and I'm going to talk about the best AI tool. Let me show you its features first. Okay, here I want to learn about the one chapter from my textbook, and I want to make a video from that chapter. Let's watch this video. See, this video I created from that chapter, so I don't need a teacher now. I can create my own teacher right now. Let me play it for you.
A bubble that's about to pop. Or is it really
This is a video with a presentation, and the same we can also create a mind map. You know, this tool going to give us the entire mind map of that chapters. See, if you're going to upload a particular chapter, you're going to get the entire mind map of that chapter. This is amazing. And also you're going to get the audio files, and you're going to get the flashcards and presentation. This is the best AI tool for the students. So in this video I'm going to talk about how much helpful this AI tool and how it can be useful for you. So let's go straight into the video. NotebookLM, you can use NotebookLM as an app. You can download it from Play Store and iStore at the same time. And also you can use the NotebookLM in your browser. Just a search on Google NotebookLM. Okay, just a search, just open the Google and search a NotebookLM, and you're going to see the NotebookLM here. And when you're using for the first time, you need to sign in by using your email. So try NotebookLM. So this is the interface you're going to see after sign in here. Okay, then just click create a new. Okay, let me tell you the most important component features of NotebookLM. You know, we can upload any kind of a files here. If you have an audio files, for example, you're pursuing your masters and you have its classroom on YouTube video, and you can upload YouTube links here. And if you have a website, you can upload the website links here. And if you want to upload the audio files, you can also upload the different kind of files. That's the most amazing thing. But in some case, if you want to study about a particular topic, but you don't have any kind of reference files on sources or anything, nothing at all, don't worry, NotebookLM also give you kind of help here. Just a search at the topic here. If you want to know about anything, just a search here. And the NotebookLM itself is going to find out a different kind of a source page, and that is the amazing thing about the NotebookLM. Okay, after uploading all the files or after searching here in a Google, you're going to see a small summary about that PDF files or whatever the things you uploaded here. And here the thing on the right side, you can see the studio. Here we are going to study everything. Here we are going to make everything. Video classrooms, audio classroom, mind map, presentations, and quizzes, and the infographics, and tables, and the presentation, everything. So let me tell you how I'm going to do that, okay? Here I'm going to learn about what happened in 2025 around the world. So I don't have any kind of a sources, website, PDF files. So what I did here, I just searched here, which I showed to you before. Just I searched here. I searched here the world 2025, and I got a different kind of a source page here, and you can also see a summary here. Now I just created different kind of things. I just showed you before that we can create all the things like a video files, audio files, everything here in the studio. So I created all the things because it takes a time. So I created it before, and I will play each, and you can figure out how much it's helpful. And let me tell you one more important thing. If you don't want to watch these things, or if you don't want to get the things in English, but you have a particular your local language, for example Hindi or Arabic or any kind of a language, you go here, choose the settings, and you're going to find out output language option here. Click on it and change the language, whichever the language you want to choose. And after that, save it and close it and start doing the studio. Like you can just click on here. If you want to create a video, you can just click on video overview. If you want to click on audio overview, you can click on that. If you want mind map, you can just click on it. So let me show you the result. First I want to play you the video overview, which I got. See the result. I will play the video.
Welcome to the explainer. You know, as we make our way through 2025,
this is amazing. You know, sometimes when we are attending a classroom, sometimes we don't get all the kind of things. But here, by using NotebookLM, we're going to get a video overview and also it with along the presentation. You know, sometimes people like getting a presentation, visual element. So this is the best AI tool for all of us.
To be a year just full of incredible heights,
See, it's a playing in the background along with the presentation. This is incredibly amazing. And also we have an audio overview. Okay, let me play the audio for you. Okay, let me explore the audio. See, I got the audio.
What if you could, like, fast forward a year?
You know what they are doing in the audio overview? Two people are creating a classroom for us. That is the most important features of this AI tool. You know, like two people are having a conversation and we are just listening, and we are going to learn all the things by just watching or listening a podcast. And the third thing is about, I said you about the mind map. You know, this is my favorite. Like when you're just trying to watch, when you're just trying to learn about a particular chapter, and when you're choosing the mind map, it's going to give you the 4 features or 4 or 5 features of the main points from that chapters. And if you're going to click on all these kind of things, you're going to see the additional points from that particular headings. See the result. This is incredibly amazing. So when you're going to do something like this, you're going to get the entire outline of that chapter. You know, is that amazing, right? If you like this AI tool, make your comments. Don't forget that. And also there is another important thing I want to talk about. Like after getting the mind map, sometimes you don't understand what is that. Don't worry. Just click on it and you're going to get the summary about that particular point here. And also there is one more feature here. You know, this is just same like a chatbot. When we are using like a Gemini or ChatGPT, we can ask any kind of things related to that chapter by simply giving simple kind of a prompt. So this is also amazing. And also we have a flashcard, briefing docs, you know, FAQ, study guide. You know, here a lot of features here in the studio. You can do anything, and also the thing I just said you at the beginning, like it's available in all local languages. So here I'm using in my local language, it's Malayalam. And also I will show you the flashcards. See the flashcards. If you like to learn things through using flashcards, this is the best AI tool for you. And if you like listening audio overview, this is the best for you. If you like video overview, this is also best for you. And also if you after studying a particular chapter you want to make a quizzes, that's option also here. So this is the best AI tool for the students. So I hope this video is very helpful. If this video is helpful, make your comments and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.